Hello YouTube, this is going to be a running video of the Hosim X08. Has this nice body color. I'm running here with a construction site of a new park close to my house. There's some gravel, asphalt and lots of dirt. I'll be trying to climb that little mound of dirt over there and just going around. It's a very cold day here in Michigan, and it's really hard to control this vehicle one-handed. If you ever owned a Hosim vehicle before, you know the controller, it's kind of in the stiff side to control with just your thumb. But I tried my best to record with one hand and run with the other one, even though it was pretty cold. This is a variation of the X07, so it has higher posts in a different body, looks like a truck, but essentially it is the same as the X07, which I have other videos as well in the channel. I'll be comparing both on an upcoming video. It might be already up by the time you're seeing this. But as you can see, this Chinese vehicle here, it's pretty fun. So far I haven't really have major issues. The issues I have with this truck are the same you would have with any RC. Here I'm just showing you how stiff it is to control with one hand. Like I said, it's a very cold day, and try controlling your RC when the temperature is below freezing. It's pretty tough. With that said, I'll be running around here. You see, if you do full throttle, it really wants to go ahead and flip and do wheelies. It has a lot of power. Running on a 2S, I think it's enough for this guy here. You can definitely do 3S, it's 3S capable. And as I was saying, so far I haven't really had any major issues. The plastics on this vehicle are very flexible, especially the A-arms and the posts, which it actually feels a little too soft sometimes, but it doesn't break that easy. The box does not come with extra A-arms or the parts that normally breaks, but I didn't manage to break it, especially running on dirt. It becomes very hard to break. If you take it to the skate park, like I did as well in a different video, then it's a lot easier to break stuff. If you are a good driver or good RC driver, you may get away without breaking it, but me, yeah, I always break it stuff. So it comes with two body colors. I'm running this pink one here, but there is a blue-red one as well. In my unboxing video, you can clearly see the differences in the body colors. Notice that the wheels, actually I'm running the blue wheels here. It comes with red wheels, but I tried using my X07 wheels, which are these blue ones, but they are exactly the same. The terrain in this particular location was very wet and kind of muddy. You can see the traction on the tires live behind a nice trail. It's not really flat. Some areas are a little better and it just cruises around pretty well. The shocks works very good in my opinion out of the box. Going through the gravel, it's so nice seeing this truck kicking rocks around. I have the camera now set on a tripod, and you can see there is pretty good range as well with the remote and receiver. I didn't find any issues with the controller range. Running through the gravel feels great. Like I just mentioned, seeing the rocks going everywhere is always very fun. The traction on these tires, especially on loose gravel, becomes more of a challenge. The rubber is kind of on the hard side instead of being very soft. So you feel the same as when you're running in the asphalt. It skids, which actually it's a little bit better because it doesn't flip as much. The tires doesn't bind into the asphalt as much as with a very soft rubber compound. So now we are back here trying to climb this hill. Eventually I'll make very close to the top. The only reason why I wasn't able to really make it to the very top was because the battery was dying on me. I believe with a full battery this truck would definitely get up there. Like you see, going straight, and it climbs pretty well, even flipped sometimes. Keep on trying a little bit more here, backwards, straight power, see dust everywhere. And just like I mentioned, it's really running out of juice at this point. So I'll bring this over and let's do a quick inspect within the truck after this run. One of my first runs with the X08. Like I said, so far haven't had any major issues with this truck. Neither I had with the X07. So the 08 has a different body, but essentially it is the same one. So taking the camera out of the tripod, it's blinking because the battery is dead. My hand is really kind of ready because it's very cold. So I have lots of mud within the tires, but not so bad. This is the location I was recording. Thank you very much for watching. So I'll leave you with a little bit more of the running session here. Once more, I appreciate you watching to the end. Please subscribe, ask questions, leave your comments. Let me know what I can do better in these videos. What do you want to see? Is that a running video that is more interest, or it's more a detailed video on the vehicle itself? Let me know. Let me know what you think about the quality of this recording, the audio, whatever it is. Leave your comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Really do this as a hobby, sharing my experiences with RCs, so that if you're planning on buying one like this X08, you can make an informative decision. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye.